Hi everyone, it's Al. Just a quick little rant really to warn you about insurance companies, as if you didn't know about them already, that they kind of insure themselves in a way. You think you're getting insured, but they kind of also insure themselves in that they don't have to pay out as much as possible. By that I mean you may have 20 guys on the front desk selling insurance, but you'll probably find there's 100 behind the scenes trying to prevent claims going through any way they can. And what they do is they know the small print inside out. They know it so well. They know how they can get out of paying. And don't worry about going to the ombudsman. 9 times out of 10 they're not successful. We've been there, and they side up with the insurance companies simply because they've got it in black and white, and you didn't see the kind of get out clauses that they've got there. The small print I'm talking about. I'm just going to go for a quick one, just tell you what it was about. We bank with a Halifax, and with that, if you pay £15 extra a month, then you kind of get this little policy that covers you for holidays, your car if you break down, very basic breakdown, I know, but it's there, mobile phone insurance and a couple of other little things. And I know for £15 a month that's not maybe a lot of money, which I guess it isn't, but you still think you're insured, don't you, for these things. So we had holiday insurance through this thing, and they went for a firm in Plymouth called First Direct, which we didn't know about at the time. But anyway, we went on holiday. Long and short of it was, we hired a villa. We was in the villa, we was outside, just got out on the pool one day on the last week of our holiday, and unbeknown to us, someone slipped the catch on the doors and managed to get in, steal my wife's bag, and our passports, driving licences, money, you name it, in that bag. Now I won't go into what hell it was trying to get back from Menorca without passports, but believe you me, don't even go there, alright? It's horrendous. It's just a word of warning. But anyway, at least you think, well, when I get back and all this is over, at least I'm covered by insurance, because by the time you add up getting fresh flights, your passports renewed, emergency passports, believe me, it ended up around about £1,800. So you get back and you put in your claim, and they all say, yeah, it's all going through, no problem. And you wait a while, and a couple of months later, nothing's happened, and you ring up, and suddenly you get this, oh yes, we have sorted it out, and finally you get a letter saying your claim has been rejected. Rejected? Oh yes, it's been rejected because the bag of money was not in a locked safe. Well, what the hell do you need insurance for if something's in a locked safe? Who the hell is going to break into a locked safe except the expert burglar who's after jewels and diamonds, not a couple of bloody licences and, you know, passports and stuff. So they kind of insured themselves, haven't they? By putting that little clause in there, this insurance company have covered themselves. You know, they've just, this is the one, we'll put this in a little clause there that in case it's not in a locked safe, then we haven't got to pay out. Well, it's obviously not going to be in a locked safe, is it? So there you are. So it doesn't matter, go to the ombudsman, we've done all that, you'll still get nothing, because in black and white, that insurance company is covered. So just a little word of warning. Take out a really expensive insurance policy, especially on holiday. Don't rely on these little ones that you get, and read that small print thoroughly. And if something does happen to you, then read the small print before you make a claim, so that you can look to make sure that that insurance company is not going to get out of not paying you. Because believe me, they won't even offer you the full price of what you've lost. They will give you an offer. They won't even give you what you've actually lost in value. So it's really odd, because the only thing we did manage to get back was our phone. But even that, they only give us a lower price than it was that we paid for it, because it costs less now. So be very, very wary of insurance companies, holidays, holiday policies. Really check it, because these insurance companies, believe me, First Direct to Plymouth, whatever happens, don't go with them. They will rip you off. But do look at all the small print on any insurance policy. Okay, just a word of warning from me. This was a year or so ago now. I'm quite over it. So's Jan. But be warned, that's all. Alright, just a little quick one for me and a little rant. Oh dear oh me, I very rarely do it, but I just felt like doing it tonight, just to give you a word of warning. Okay, thanks very much for watching my videos. You know where to go, derek33.com. Thanks very much for watching.